I'm going to demonstrate the setup for the phenol red broth. Phenol red broth recipes can be made with a variety of sugars. The three sugars that are most commonly used are sucrose, glucose, and lactose. And as you notice in this broth, inside the tube, there's actually an inner tube. This is what we call a Durant tube. We use that tube to see if there was any gas produced during the process of fermentation. The way it works out is that there is a pH indicator that we turn lighter in color, yellow, if the pH in the broth becomes acidic, or it will turn red, magenta, if the pH becomes basic or alkaline. When we are reading results, that's what we're looking for, a color change and what type of color change that is. We're going to inoculate this using a septic technique with a loop. We're going to incinerate the loop until it turns orange. And we are going to let that cool off. Remember that when we transfer, we're going to go from the stock to the fresh broth. I'm going to demonstrate how to do one tube. You're going to be doing for each organism lactose, a tube of sucrose, and a tube of the glucose. So I'm going to flame the mouth of my stock. I'm going to touch the stock with the loop, reflame it, recap it. And as it is a broth, be careful because it can spill. These are not screw cap tubes. I'm going to go in. I'm going to wiggle my loop to make sure that the bacteria falls off the loop into the liquid. I'm going to flame the mouth of the tube, and I'm going to recap it and re-incinerate my loop, and that tube is going to be ready to incubate for 48 hours at 37 degrees Celsius. You're going to end up with quite a few tubes because you're going to do 3 sugars for each organism after 48 hours. Now, here you have results after 48 hours for the 3 sugars. We have lactose, we have glucose, and we have sucrose for E. coli. Notice that there was a color change to yellow. That means that there was fermentation. That would be A for acidic when we are actually keying our results. Notice that there was a change from the original orange to that pink color for the sucrose sugar, and that will be alkaline or K when you're keying your results for that organism.